In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Google Chrome link in a description in the easiest way possible. Whether you're watching a YouTube video, reading a post, or looking at a shared description online, this simple trick lets you open a link quickly without copying and pasting it manually. It's a small tip, but it can save you time and make browsing much smoother. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, find the link inside the description that you want to open. Once you see it, click and drag your mouse cursor across the link text to highlight it. Make sure the full link is selected so Chrome can recognize the website address properly. If you only highlight part of it, the option may not work correctly. After the link is highlighted, right-click on the selected text. This will open a small menu with a few different options. In that menu, look for the option that says "Go to the website address" or something similar, depending on the page you're using. Click that option and Chrome will instantly open the link in a new tab. That's it. The website loads right away and you can continue browsing without losing your place on the original page. This method is especially useful when a link is displayed as plain text inside a description and you want the fastest way to access it. You don't need any special software and you don't need to type the address into the browser yourself. Just highlight, right-click, and go. If the link doesn't open, double-check that you selected the entire URL and that you're clicking the correct menu option. That usually solves the problem. So to quickly recap, click and drag to highlight the link, right-click the text, and choose "Go to the website address." Chrome will open it in a new tab instantly. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.